A shaky laptop in the middle of a set can ruin the flow fast. A good stand keeps your screen steady and right where you need it. In this video, I'm going over the best DJ laptop stands. The picks in this list sit in different price ranges, and each one fits a different kind of setup. That's why it's a good idea to watch the full video and see which option makes the most sense for your needs. You can find links to every stand in the description below. If you enjoy videos like this, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. Questions about any of the stands? Leave them in the comment section. Now let's get into the list and check out the first pick. Number 6. Rock Jam Portable DJ Laptop Stand. Number 6 on the list is a great pick for anyone building a setup on a tight budget. It brings a lot of flexibility without asking for a big spend. This stand uses alloy steel for the frame, which gives it a tough feel and a professional look in a clean black finish. The design uses a tripod-style base and weighs about 1.5 kilograms, so moving it between gigs or workspaces stays pretty easy. An anti-slip surface and a front security lip help keep gear from sliding off during a session. Height adjustment is one of the big highlights here. You get 7 different height positions, starting around 7 inches and going up to roughly 15 or 16 inches. The width can be adjusted too, which helps fit different gear sizes, including laptops up to 17 inches, small controllers, or even a CD player. Another useful detail is the mounting option. The stand can sit on a desk like a normal stand, or you can attach it with the included clamps to a tabletop up to about 1.75 inches thick. Feedback from buyers is mostly positive, especially for portability and value. A few people report slight wobble at taller settings or confusing setup instructions, yet many still say it works great for beginner DJ setups. Number 5. Rockville RLS 2400. Taking the 5th spot, this option focuses on portability and quick setup. It's a simple stand that fits well in mobile DJ setups or small workspaces. The frame uses steel with a black powder-coated finish, giving it a clean, professional look on a desk or booth. The main platform holds laptops up to 17 inches and lifts them about 14 inches above the table. That height works well for keeping the screen easy to see during a set. One feature that stands out here is the second shelf under the laptop tray. This smaller platform gives space for gear like an audio interface, a small mixer, or an external drive. It's not very large, yet it can still help keep cables and accessories organized during a session. Portability is another strong point. The stand folds down to a thin profile, and the arms snap into place during setup. A zipper travel bag comes in the box, which makes it easy to toss into a gear bag and carry between gigs. Buyers often praise the build quality and the quick assembly. Many say it feels steady for laptops and small devices. A common complaint is the fixed height, since the stand does not adjust. The secondary shelf is small too. Still, for a budget option, it covers the basics well. Number 4. Access Able's Portable Folding Laptop Stand. Moving up to number 4, this pick focuses on a clean folding design and a bit more flexibility for gear placement. It works well for people who want extra space for small devices under the laptop. The frame uses aircraft-grade aluminum with a powder-coated finish, giving it a sleek look that fits nicely in a booth, studio desk, or home setup. Rubber pads sit on the contact points, helping keep laptops and gear from sliding around. The stand lifts the laptop about 14 inches above the surface, which opens space underneath for other equipment. A multi-tier layout makes this one stand out. The top shelf holds the laptop, and there's an adjustable middle shelf that can support a small mixer, audio interface, or other AV gear. The bottom area stays open, giving room for controllers or other devices that need space on the desk. Setup stays quick and simple. Metal push knobs lock the frame in place, and the stand folds flat when it's time to pack up. A nylon drawstring carrying bag is included, making transport easier between gigs. This model comes in black or white, and there are 1-tier and 2-tier versions. Buyers often praise the metal build and secure locking design. Larger 17-inch laptops can feel tight on the platform, though 15-inch models usually fit comfortably. For a budget option, it offers a nice mix of portability and extra workspace. Number 3. Hercules DG400BB. Reaching number 3, this stand focuses on portability with a smart folding structure. It's built for DJs who move between setups and want something quick to deploy. The frame opens as a single piece, so there's no assembly involved. Just unfold it, pick a height, and place the laptop. 3 height positions are available, around 8.6 inches, 10.4 inches, and 12.4 inches. That range helps lift the screen to a comfortable viewing level during a set. The stand supports up to 22 pounds, which covers most laptops without trouble. It opens wide enough for devices up to about 10.5 inches deep, and many users run laptops up to around 15.6 inches comfortably. Some people place larger machines on it too, though they may extend slightly past the back. Another clever detail is the thin feet. They measure about 3/8 of an inch thick, letting them slide under mixers or controllers to save desk space. Rubber tips help keep the base from shifting around. The folding design keeps transport simple. When closed, it becomes compact enough to fit in a backpack, and a soft neoprene carry bag is included. Most buyers praise the build quality and quick setup. A few people say it feels a bit heavier than other portable stands, and some mention the height lock could feel tighter. In the mid-range category, it offers a reliable mix of portability and support. Number 2, Samsung LTS50. Coming in at number 2, this pick goes a different direction from the compact tabletop stands earlier in the list. It works more like a full-height workstation, which can be useful for DJ booths or live setups. The design uses a tripod base with a center column that raises the platform anywhere from about 30 inches up to 47 inches. That wide range makes it easy to position a laptop at standing height. The tray measures around 15 by 11 inches and can tilt from flat all the way up to 90 degrees, so the screen angle can match your setup. The tray surface includes a silicone grip layer that helps keep the laptop from sliding. It's built from stainless steel, and the frame locks into place with lever clamps and a pin lock system for extra support. The tray itself can be removed as well, which gives more flexibility if the stand needs to carry other gear. Portability still stays in the picture. The tripod legs fold in, and the stand collapses down to about 24 inches for transport. Many buyers like the wide height range and the ability to use it as a standing workstation. A few mention that very heavy laptops or steep tray angles can lead to a bit of wobble. In the upper mid-range tier, this stand stands out for its height flexibility and versatile setup options. Number 1, AccessAble's 2-tier DJ stand. Taking the top spot, this pick focuses on giving a full workstation-style setup rather than a simple laptop perch. It's built for larger DJ rigs or studio desks that need space for multiple pieces of gear. The frame uses heavy-duty alloy steel with a powder-coated black finish, and the design uses a double X-style folding base. That structure keeps the stand steady during performances or production sessions. The lower tabletop measures about 36 by 19.5 inches, which gives plenty of room for controllers, mixers, or keyboards. Above that sits a second tier that measures roughly 18 by 12.5 inches. This upper shelf sits about 10 inches higher than the lower platform and can tilt, making it a good place for a laptop, tablet, or sheet music. The back arm can even be removed, giving more flexibility if the setup needs a different layout. The stand supports up to 180 pounds, which is far more than most laptop stands in this category. It folds flat for storage, though the unit itself weighs over 36 pounds, so it's heavier than many portable options. Most buyers praise the build quality, quick assembly, and large workspace. A few mention the upper tier can take a moment to level perfectly. In the premium range, this stand stands out for its multi-gear layout and workstation-style design. And that was my list of the best DJ laptop stands. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to look through the channel. Thanks for spending some time with me today. I'll catch you in the next video.